Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Govt ITI admission. Industrial Training Institutes, or ETI, are crucial for vocational training, offering a wide array of trades to equip students with practical skills for immediate employment. The admission process is primarily conducted online through dedicated state portals, making it accessible for many aspiring candidates. These government-run institutes aim to provide quality education at minimal fees, helping individuals build a strong foundation for their careers. To be eligible for Govt ITI admission, candidates must generally be at least 14 years of age, with no upper age limit in many states. Educational requirements vary by trade, typically requiring a pass in the 8th or 10th standard from a recognized board. You will need to gather several key documents, such as your 10th or 8th standard mark sheet, a birth certificate for age proof, a caste certificate if applicable, and a government-issued identity proof like an Aadhaar card. 1, 2, 3, 5, 12. The application process begins with online registration on the official state ITI admission portal. You will create an account using a valid email ID and mobile number. Next, carefully fill out the comprehensive online application form, providing all personal and educational details accurately. It is crucial to upload scanned copies of all required documents, including your mark sheets and a recent passport-sized photograph, ensuring they meet the specified size and format. Finally, complete the application by paying the non-refundable application fee online, which is typically around 200 rupees for general categories and 100 rupees for female candidates. 1, 9, 10, 12. Admission to Govt ITIs is primarily merit-based, with a merit list prepared from your qualifying examination marks. Shortlisted candidates are then invited to participate in online counseling sessions, where they can select their preferred trades and institutes based on their rank and seat availability. After seat allotment, you must physically report to the assigned ITI for document verification, bringing all original certificates. Upon successful verification, you will pay the admission fees to confirm your seat. Always monitor the official website for important dates, including application deadlines, merit list publications, and counseling schedules. 1, 4, 7, 9, 12.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.